them big.
Okay, we got a nice little sushi. That's because it's fried sushi.
You can't say that's not.
It's okay. that kid tried to steal our bags. He was hungry. Look, he keeps coming back. She's over here eating fries. Bag, yo, I swear he took like 5 turns. Vlogger things. Jolene! She always snaps her head. What did you get? Read the You were already in my other vlog.
Wait.
Yes, period.
That looks
Oh.
I round down to what that rounds up to.
I round up to that.
Okay, then it's you.
No, pause. Wait.
Probably not. Jesus.
The English is not. It's not. Hold up. Oh. Yeah, but she's trying to record.
You got our ice cream?
Yeah, we can't wait.
We got the cookie crunching. Cookie crunching, cookie parfait.
Damn.
Billy, what did you get?
Brownie.
It's a good thing that you got on the side too.
It is. It smells like bad.
Hello? Wait, let me smell.
Wait.
Did you
What?
smell it?
What even?
Wait a damn minute.
Do you smell it?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
It's like one of those things that smells so bad you can't stop smelling it. You know what I mean?